Welcome back to J the Usual Multimedia, and you're here for one of our more wild experiences. During this most wondrous of weeks, my favorite time of year, a holiday in the beginning of August,
is, of course, J the Usual's birthday. What I'm here to do is to discuss with you the interview that we've done with this crazy-ass bird. There were several others that stopped along the way, some special guests, I might say. But here and only here at J the Usual Multimedia will you be able to hear the inner thoughts and the translated squawks of the hawk, Tua. Make sure to share, like, and comment. The more we grow, the more we show, the more you view, the more we do. Let's get into it.
Y'all doing the stanky leg. What's up? What poppin', yo? The hell are you looking at, man? Yeah, that's right. My nickname is Turret. Cause my head be spinning like crazy. I just be standing still in the middle of places. Yo, what's good? You looking at my down coat? I heard you down. Yeah, I know you like that shit. Look at it. Fancy. Yeah. You know, shit as sharp as me. But, I'll be honest with you. I'm having a tough time today. I'm trying to, play it cool, but I seen something that really disturbed me. See, I was flying over the city of Fall River, Massachusetts, and I seen what I thought was a lovely little campsite, and I thought I'd sneak myself a little morsel, you know what I'm saying? I just thought I was going to sneak myself a little morsel. I ain't got pockets, you know what I'm saying? I can't go down to Desi's, give myself a sandwich. But anyways, so I'm over there, right? Flying over there, thinking to myself, I'm going to have myself a nice day in the middle of this hurricane that ain't even a hurricane at all, you know what I'm saying? And what do I come to find but that there's a zombie outbreak? That's right. It ain't a campsite at all. It's a damn Hooverville. It's right there on Brayton Avenue at the bottom. And I like I said, I thought I was going to find myself a sandwich, but there wasn't food at all. Just a whole bunch of plastic and glass capsules with remnants and residuals of drugs. And I couldn't quite understand where all the cardboard had come from and markers if there wasn't any money there. There's a lot of signs that said that they needed it, but where the hell are they getting all the money for all these damn drugs and markers and cardboards? And you may be saying to yourself, Hawk Tour, you're hating. You're hating with your down coat. I mean, look at this shit. I'm down, you know what I'm saying? I mean, look at how fancy this shit is. Yeah, look at the designs, right? You know what I'm saying? I've been here in Fall River since a hatchling, right? And I'm here with the fashion. But I'm just trying to tell y'all that it's not a campsite and it's not a nice place where you can find a sandwich. That's all I'm trying to tell you. And I don't know what they do with their money down there. Right. Now, this is a little bit later when we were talking to what we believe to be the same hawk, possibly an identical twin, but we're still working the kinks out of our brand new software. Man, what the fuck is going on? There's all these damn colors.
Someone just called me an angry bird and it made me sad.
Who the hell is this? Is this a miniature version of myself? What the hell is going on? I still got my dad. I thought I was a big baby. This fucking thing. Well, hold on. We have to attune our brand new technology to try to acquire the species. Yeah, hold on. Let's see if we can try to find out exactly what this... It looks like a woodpecker species. What's it say? What's it trying to say? Yeah, it's coming through. Yes, hold on.
Oh, dude, you got a cigarette, man? I know you got a cigarette, bro. Come on, bro. You've been chilling here for quite, come on, kid. You just want a cigarette. If you got a cigarette, you got $1 or something, man. Come on, bro. I know you got one. If you ain't got one, at least you got like 75 cents. Give me like 3/4 of the way there. You know what I'm saying? Even between 3/4, if you got like 2 quarters and 2 dimes and a nickel. I mean,
let's go back to the Hawk, folks, and try to see what the response is. I don't think I got no cigarette. What the hell is a damn cigarette? All I got is this damn jacket with no pockets. Trying to look in between all of these feathers. It ain't getting no better in this weather. You know what I'm saying? I really shouldn't have eaten that edible. That bird that ate that edible. Why do we even do that in the first place? I'm not even sure why the hell birds eat anything. But I want to eat this bird, I think. But I'm a big baby bird, so I don't really know. I'm considering it though, because if he asks for a cigarette one more time, we're going to have ourselves a problem. Let's see exactly what the woodpecker's response is to this part of the conversation.
This motherfucker ain't got no cigarette at all. What a waste of my damn time. I clearly, sir, I've made a mistake, and you might actually eat my ass. And I'm not speaking in metaphor or specifics. Or maybe I'm speaking of both. I'm not even really sure. I got to get the hell out of here, though, because there's some cigarettes somewhere that I can get. Possibly ask for $1 somewhere, because somebody's got to have something. There's got to be some change somewhere. And I don't even know where the hell it is anyway, because I'm trying to find all the damn cans of bottles. But all this is going on to this Hooverville. That ain't even really Hooverville at all. It's actually a campsite. Wait a minute, I think I got that backwards. My whole life is backwards because I'm asking for cigarettes. But then I don't even get any cigarettes because I shouldn't be asking for cigarettes in the first place. But then I go and find them on the street and I smoke them anyway.
Where in the hell did he go? I'm high as a fucking kite right now. If I were to just fall and not flap my wings, it would hurt pretty damn much from up here. Even though I'm shaped like a pillar. I might be getting a little bit thin because I don't eat the things that I should be eating. I just look at them like, whoa, what the hell? Of course, that woodpecker was it's a bit much. Just like my down jacket. Look at it. Look how fire it is. Fly-ass cameraman doing this on-location camera shoot. I see you, Jay the Usual. What's good? What's good, bro? I shot y'all. I polished my beak before I came here. I didn't do it. Actually, my bitch did. You know what I'm saying? I ain't even got no bitch. I had to hire that bitch. You know what I mean? But, it's all good, bro. It's all good, man. I'm gonna call her a bitch because she charged me twice. This motherfucker wouldn't even let me leave. Try to call fucking Bird 50 on me and shit. And it's like, yo, bitch, look, have you ever talked to a seagull? Have you ever tried to carry a conversation with these sons of bitches? What'd you do today? Oh, I caught a clam. What'd you do yesterday? Oh, I caught another clam. What are you doing tomorrow? Do you think that we used to be dinosaurs? Do you think that we could be dinosaurs again? I wonder if we could evolve. Like Pokemon do. I hope we can. Do you think that I've been cloned? Do you think that I'm a government drone? Do you think I wrote the song while I was alone? First I was afraid. I was in my nest. I'm a bird, so I'm not sure why you think that I have breasts. Eating them from a chicken, yeah, you already know. 'Cause everything's in slow-mo, I'm too high from all that dro, yeah, I'm a bird. I drop a turd right on your window. I forget the rest of the song, I'm too high. Do I blend in over here? Is this natural camouflage working? I feel like I kind of stick out a little bit. Considering this is where all the tiny sparrows and stuff hang out, I feel, and little woodpecker, cigarette addicted, possibly addicted to other things, birds over here. They all seem to blend in, but I don't know. I think I kind of stick out. I'm huge as shit. 20 times the size of these other birds, and even though I'm somewhat of a fledgling, learning how to be a hawk to I don't know. Maybe I'm a hawk una. Just one hawk among many. Maybe I'm the last one. Oh wait, no, that's right. My brother and my mother are chasing each other. They were at Jay the Usual's window this morning while he's recording us because we were screeching. Y'all gonna like this. We were screeching in his window. That's what he gets for recording us like this without asking. You know, he could have used the drone, came up to us and gave us a scroll, asked for permission, man. Speaking of scroll, y'all should see that stand-up comedy show that he did. Only 3 people showed up, but it was still hilarious as hell. It was a good show. I can twist my head around so crazy. And it makes me nervous doing it. You know, like when you crack your neck too much, you're like, oh. I don't even think I have a neck, though. Don't look at me. Okay, all right, you can look at me a little bit. I'm ready for my close-up, Mr. Birdville. Don't look at me again. Oh, don't look at me. I'm too fucking fancy. Oh, no. Look at these damn leaves, bro. Oh, shit. Is somebody recording? What the hell is this? Whoa, yeah, I can speak your language too. Squawk, 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 bitch. Itch my nuts.
Y'all want? This is exactly what it looks like when a hawk, or any bird really, because I don't believe there are any birds with hands that I can remember, and scratch its nuts. Imagine if birds had big out external ball sacks like we did and they're flying around with them, just unaerodynamic as hell.
Man, what the hell is he talking about, man? I'll be real though. This camera works pretty good. You should probably buy any one of his merch with some of me on it. You know what I mean? And I'm not gonna say it's because I get some of the proceeds and nothing, but look at this fucking coat here. You know what I'm saying? Oh, y'all don't even know what it costs to get this thing laundered. And I had to replace it twice. They ain't insuring shit on this, man. Look how clean it is, though. You know what I'm saying? It's like that one time I dipped my long toe into a hole in a tree. I felt it warm and soft. I thought to myself, oh, I may have found myself a meal. And I certainly did. It was the ass of a aardvark. The chipmunk's ass. I tried to pull my long toe out, but he wouldn't let me pull away. He said his name was Chip and his brother's name was Dale, and they were going to have their way. So they started to get at my toes like a Cheetos commercial. Just trying to get the flavor. I'm just trying to tell you as a favor that these chipmunks are sick bastards. I can't even look you in the eye when I'm telling you this story. It's disturbing, and Disney is a sick place. I I never not look inside of a tree before I eat inside of it again. Always look at what you eat and read the back of the label. Otherwise, you might have to hear another hawk fable. Hawk 2. Look at my fancy coat, bitch. Look at it. I'm in a tree where tiny birds hang out. And I stick out like crazy with my gigantic white chest. Yet again, just like the cameraman. Yeah, y'all like my Batman voice, man? I've been working on it for some time now, you know what I mean? It's like this pedicure that I got. Look, I got French tips. But no, man, y'all ever see me in the one movie I was in a long time ago? It was it's called Never Ending Story 3. I spoke English in that movie. It took me a while to learn the lines, don't get me wrong, you know, and of course I had to wear one of them human suits and then put on a gigantic seagull suit, you know, so you gotta do what the role requires of you. Man, I'm really fucking torched right now. That edible is really messing me up, man. It was dark and it was bright and talking about different things about the never-ending story. That luck dragon was really... I don't know what it was, but it wasn't no damn dragon. It was disturbing. It had human teeth, but it wasn't even in the third movie that I was in. The movie that I was in was really extra disturbing. And it had that whole bubble machine that took your dreams and your memories and shit. And I was walking around giggling, not knowing if I was all right with it or not, you know. I don't even remember what I got paid for that. I'm pretty sure I got paid with a carcass that was like a day and a half old or something. I was pretty happy about it at the time, but you know, I was young. I didn't know how to reinvest in myself. You know, now I drop edibles and I'm hanging out in a tree talking to myself. At least it seems like I'm talking to myself. Ain't nobody listening. You gotta make sure to hit that share button, subscribe, make sure to share, like, and comment. The more we grow, the more we show, the more you view, the more we, oh, it's getting bright again, man. I'm too fucking loaded for this. I am the angry bird. Fuck you. Look at how beautiful I am. Nice. Nice. So, yo, man, here's some facts about my kind so y'all can say that you learned something while you was here, and not just all this street knowledge and dropping on your head like a bird turd. Wah! So, as red-tailed hawks are actually the most common hawk in North America. So y'all can see something like us everywhere. Nothing quite like me, though, you know. They have sharp eyesight that is 8 times better than any human. Just look at those peepers. Lovely. They can spot a mouse from 100 feet in the air. This one's roughly 20 feet in the air, but I believe he had an edible and he's kind of tweaking right now. Probably from eating that pigeon that ate the edible. We told him not to do it, but he is a fledgling after all. They have a third eyelid called a nictitating membrane to keep their eyes clean. I wouldn't want to use those mitts to try to clean my peepers. Males woo females by catching prey and passing it to them in mid-air. How fancy is that? They perform courtship rituals by flying in circles together. That's roughly how humans do it as well. Red-tailed hawk couples build their nests together. This bird beach up here talk so much crap about all this, that, and the other, but he knows nothing about anything at all. It's hot as if fucking brouhaha out here. I have been in this country for far too long. The sleeper cell with the bird flu. I miss my homelands of the Mother Russia. But I have to hear this complaining, so this big, gigantic, stupid bird in the tree above me, he look like two sore thumbs sticking out of an ass. I cannot believe I had to listen to this. And in this country, I'd remind everyone, this that you're drinking is not vodka. It's potato water or something. I'm not really sure what it is, but it's not what you think it is. I promise you this. God, I am miserable, but this birdseed is delicious. My scientific name is Buteo jamaicensis. I'm as exotic as I look, you know what I'm saying? They are known for their characteristic reddish-brown tail feather. I see you looking at my ass. Juvenile red-tailed hawks have brown barred tails. So that's what you're seeing with my boy over there in the other tree, talking cray nay nay. He's got them crazy pants on. There are 14 subspecies of red-tailed hawks. I'd like to know which one we are. They have a wingspan. We have a wingspan. I have a wingspan. The average is a little over 4 feet. I'm a big damn bird. Yo, Sesame Street, what up? Females are typically larger than males. And I'm doing the snake leg, so which one am I? I don't know. It's a genderless dance. The call is a hoarse screech that lasts for 2 to 3 seconds. Now, Jay the Usual can testify to this, can he? Yes, of course I can. And it was rather lovely to hear the absolutely wonderful, iconic screech.
A homesteading couple. How wonderful. Now monogamous and made for many years.
Y'all, you maybe just talk about yourself, man. I don't even know what you're saying over there, bro. I got like a whole damn coop of birds, bro. And I ain't even talking about a 2-door car. We actually build nests in tall trees, on cliff ledges, and even on buildings. It's similar to pigeons, except if y'all ever seen a pigeon baby, it's really disturbing. We'll show y'all that in the next episode. We are not at breeding age until we're around 3 years old, okay? And we live up to 20 years old, okay? So, that's right. I got a 3-year warranty on this jacket, and this little down jacket here, and after that, it's just gonna be regular feathers. We can reach speeds of up to 120 miles an hour as well when we be diving for prey, you know what I'm saying, man? Or you taking a dive because you ain't in the fight, man. You ain't even in it, bruh. I mean, look, man, one time my long finger got stuck in a chipmunk butt, and I never gave up. I never gave up hope. And then I found a pigeon with an edible in it, and I got lost and started talking to y'all. Even though we seem very badass, I know we do, like that Batman voice I was doing earlier. Yeah. We don't fly or hunt at night because of the creepy owl creature that throws up mouse skeletons. It's really creepy. We are highly adaptable to different environments, but fuck that. We stay in the same territory roughly our whole lives, although we are known to travel. We're not necessarily nomadic. The population in the U.S. of roughly 2 million. We're federally protected under the Migratory Bird Treaty Act. Because I don't know if y'all know about the Emu War, but this that actually had nothing to do with this. I'm just mentioning it because I can't believe there was an Emu War, but it was actually real. Emus went the people, the humans, not the eagles. Okay, I would have been even crazier if the eagles went to war with all the emus, but the humans went to war with the emus, and the emus won. That was about them apples. Talking about that bird brain shit. Y'all don't even know who you talking shit to, bruh. They occasionally think that we hunt in pairs, man. But if I'm out at the clubs, sometimes I just be going single to mingle. But it's not recent, man, because even we had a little bird pandemic. We had to be watching out for all that fucking flu and shit, coughing and sneezing in each other's faces and shit. And then we started doing it, spreading this shit to seals and stuff. And now you gotta worry every time you're at the beach and you see some crazy creature, you're thinking that you're cleaning its ass or its back of its neck because it can't reach it because it's a seal and it's basically a tube with a face. And you're like, oh, let me get this barnacle for it. And then all of a sudden it just turns around and go, your whole week is ruined. Adult red-tailed hawks may fast for up to a week, but occasionally hunt in pairs, and they enjoy eating other birds, fish, and reptiles. I like a chicken nugget and a sandwich every now and again, but I'll never go to that Hooverville if I find anything ever again. Ever. And we're not above stealing prey from other raptors. Or people. Go and take that sandwich. A metaphorical sandwich. And we've actually increased and extended our range over the last century. Call me an overachiever. What do you do? What do you know?